Alright, so this clip is coming before everything because I already got the census. I thought that the 125H hub adapter for I think it's actually for like FRSs and stuff, but it won't work with this. Which I figured I would experiment, but yeah, nah. It won't work. I guess I should at least show it. So it'll somewhat get onto there, but it's just too wide at the top for that all to fit in. Yeah, nah. It was made for a smaller hub, but I guess it's not too unfortunate because I already know a replacement. Alright, so I'm doing a quick release on my car, and currently I got the airbag off. It was just done by removing these two bolts right here and right here. There was a little plate, as you can see right there, and then this bigger plate right here. I'm still sore. So I've had the car battery removed for about 3 days, but this is still kind of scary for obvious reasons. But yeah, all I really gotta do now is just get the airbag itself separated from the wheel. So yeah, I'll be back after that. Alright, so right now I got the airbag thing disconnected. All you really gotta do is just slide this top part back so that way you can get it to pop out. As for this top part, I'm not quite sure yet, so I'll figure that out at some other time, but right now I'm just trying to separate the wheel from the hub adapter. Yeah. I'm just trying to get a reference for how many teeth there are. Kind of forget where I left off, but I can tell you that this thing was really stuck on, so I had to go and get a little wheel separator from Harbor Freight. And that was able to get the wheel off. So next up, I'm going to be seeing if the NRG wheel adapter will adapt up to the wheel. So yeah. Alright, so when removing this stupid little plug, get a flathead and stick it underneath the Alright. So when removing it, just stick it underneath the white clip right here. Let me actually get the wheel off one quick sec. So yeah, when removing the wheel, there's this stupid little white clip. Just stick a flathead underneath there and get it removed. Next up, I'm gonna put the actual wheel hub adapter thing on. Alright, well, update. And this is why I was doing it. So the 125H from NRG will not work with the wheel. I guess the lip here is a little bit too big to fit over that, so that's interesting. So that means that there is a secondary one which I'm going to be getting. It's called a DND. So yeah, I want the quick release life, so I'm gonna get that at some point, but now this whole entire project is on hold.